Hi there and welcome to Wordpandit. In this video we will be discussing one of my favorite words, fortitude. Now fortitude is the bravery that you show when you are already feeling down because of a lot of pain, because of a lot of difficulties, okay, when life brings you down. But when you say that I will power through this, I will get through this with my willpower and without giving up. That is what fortitude is all about. This picture of, a boxing kind of a duel going on between yourself and a bigger shadow of yourself, maybe something that is trying to bring you down, basically facing your own fears. That is what fortitude is all about. Now we will take a look at some of the synonyms here. The first one is boldness. Boldness is not just bravery, it is exhibiting your bravery. It is showing that, hey, I can do this no matter what it is. Okay, bravery, very simple, the act of being brave. Courageous, courage is nothing but facing your fears. Okay, always remember that courage is not about not having any fears, okay, but regardless of your fears, when you decide that I'm going to get through this, I'm going to face this demon and I'm going to become courageous and I'm going to win it at the end. All right, the next word is determination. When you are absolutely determined to achieve something, when you not just put your work but put your effort, but you have the willpower to achieve it also. When you develop your willpower to get something, to maybe become more disciplined, okay, maybe follow a certain schedule, all of that comes under determination. Okay, the next word is endurance. Now again, this is one of my favorite word. It's a beautiful word. Enduring something basically refers to taking all the hits that life gives you, but showing the kind of metal that you're made of. Okay, when you show that regardless of all the blows, I'm going to get through this. When you endure, when you stick to your path with all the willpower and all the focus, that is called endurance. Okay, this could be physical endurance, but nowadays more and more it is all about developing that mental endurance. Okay, fearlessness is, of course, as it shows the absence of fear, not being afraid of anything that life will give you. Okay, so I hope all these explanations help you understand the meaning of the word fortitude, and that's all for now. Happy learning.